Do you know what this is? No, it's not yarn. This is what I use as my bookmark. But today, we're gonna change that. I'm going to start off by using pink and white yarn and also a 2.5mm hook. I'm gonna start with the white yarn and I'm gonna create a slip knot, and then I'm gonna start the first row of the pixel art picture. This bookmark is going to be made with single crochets only, and then I'm also going to be switching between the pink yarn and the white yarn while I'm doing my single crocheting pixel art. And this is how the pink heart bookmark is starting to look. I've done the first heart and it looks so cute, so I'm going to move on to the next heart.
But he didn't tilt.
So, Josh, is he like in a bad mood?
He's a dick. Yeah, I'm sorry. You were just...
Come on, I can barely stand it. And your parents, they're just like laughing along. I don't even see what they like about him. Or if he snapped his fingers to get a busboy's attention, or like got an innocent housekeeper fired.
Yeah.
Oh, well, bring that up.
Happy birthday to you. Don't interrupt. Say in the video. Strawberry. I never said fish and strawberries.
I think I might take it.
Oh.
What?
This is so freaking cute. Could be like a headband. Now I have a bookmark. I think I'm just gonna like stretch it out a little because she's a little wonky. But I finished it. Now I'm just gonna chop everything off. It's so freaking cute. Perfect size. Let's move on to the next one.
Our customers are already on edge. They don't need us blowing whistles and... You heard Sugarman. We are essential. Customers are like sheep looking for guidance.
Oh yes, this underwear very deep. This is the only mask.
Okay. Safe, aren't you? Oh, no.
Yeah. That is not true, Marcus.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
To be honest, I'm not sure what's going on with Amy. Things have felt off recently. Like, are we...
Ta-da! And we can place this little guy in there. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you get some inspiration to make some bookmarks for yourself too, and let me know if you want any tutorials on these really cute bookmarks.